Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amofa.o, and in today's video we are getting ready with me. I'm going on vacation for my birthday, a post-birthday vacation actually. So I'm doing a lot of running around, getting my hair done, packing, and I just wanted to take you guys along with me. This is not really the type of vlogs I do, but I thought maybe let's do something different in 2022. Yep, new age, new birthday, let's do new things. So tell me guys if you like it, if you want to see more of these type of things, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, don't forget to like, don't forget to leave a comment for me below, and catch up on me and follow me on my socials as well. I'm going to leave them on the screen for you to see, and let's get right into it. So today, right now, today's what, Wednesday, the kids have a field trip and I decided to chaperone, so that's where I am first before I go to Walmart and do some shopping and, you know, go to the packing. So I'm just going to give you a bit of the glimpse of that. We're at a farm around the area. I've never been to this side of my town, but that's why you do this type of thing, so you can get out and about and see more things. So come on, let's go. We have donkeys in the farm. Today's video, I am going to get my hair done professionally in the United States for the first time in 7 years. Literally, I've been here for 7 years and nobody has done my hair. I've had my friend Izine braid my hair for me so I can put crochet in, and every other time I've done my hair, I've gone back home to Nigeria for vacation and I've done my hair. So this is the first time I'm doing my hair in the United States, and I'm getting stitch braids today. So this is my hair, freshly washed. I didn't even dry it. I just entered the car and I think the heat from the car must have dried it because it has shrunk, and she told me to bring it damp. You know how some hairdressers don't allow you to bring your hair damp? So I had to like ask her in her DM, like, okay, can you stretch my hair out for me? Because most people tell you to bring your hair blown out, and I was like, I don't want to blow it out. I don't know if I blow it out well enough, so could you do it for me? And she said yeah, at an additional cost. So come with me guys, let's go and see if she can get this done. This is stitch braids on 4C natural hair. Tried it once, it was an epic fail. I think I'll look for a picture and post it here, but it was an epic fail. So I'm going to try it again here. Oh, and the ones that I tried, it was in Nigeria and I didn't do it myself. So I know I can't do stitch braids on myself as well as somebody, I could do it on somebody else's head because I'm seeing it. So anyways, before we go, please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to leave a comment for me in the comment section to let me know how you like my hair. And yep, let's get along. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. All right. So I'm back. I did my hair. I know what you think. Stiff, it really hurts. However, I do notice that it's getting a bit white. I don't know what the remedy for that is. I think I have to just like buzz the braider and ask her, what can I do? Super tight, haven't packed. Traveling tomorrow and I have not packed. And I have two baskets full of laundry to do. I need to take Adam for karate. I need to take the boys for swimming. It's gonna be a long night. But yeah, just keep moving, right? I've already made a bowl of beans. I've made chicken. I made pancakes for tomorrow's breakfast. I made waffles for Saturday's breakfast. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, they just have to figure it out by themselves. I've tried, right guys? So let's go. Okay, these are all the things I have. New stuff, old stuff. And I'm gonna finally start packing at 10:44 when my flight is, the cab is coming to pick me up at 4 a.m. It's doable. I don't know the day I will start packing my stuff on time, but anyway, enough talking. Let's get straight into this packing. I need to try on my outfits because I don't want to take more than I need since I'm going by myself and I'm only carrying hand luggage. So I'm done packing. This is what I have: a backpack, a handbag, and a hand luggage. I hope nobody asks me to weigh it because I think I didn't overpack. I think it's just because I chose this really small hand luggage because I didn't want to take too much. So now I'm gonna go and take a shower. Okay, so it's basically like 1 a.m. in the morning. I'm gonna do a quick exercise because I don't know if you guys know, but I've been trying to exercise every day this year. I did have a lapse, but I'm back on track. So I think I'm at like 65 or 4 or whatever in my 100 days to go. So I'm gonna do a quick 15 minutes exercise, take a shower, and then nap. I know that's kind of weird, but I have just 2 hours to nap before my taxi comes. So see you guys at the airport.